Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Oh, sheesh, but Wolverine. Let's go. Okay, so we have here a Marvel product, X-Men, featuring our favorite character, Wolverine. Okay, so let's remove this price tag. By the way, this is from Toys R Us. I bought this in one of the malls here in the Philippines for 369 pesos, or roughly uh, six $6 only. Okay, $6 to $7. Okay, and this is from the line of Ooshies. Okay, I actually don't have any idea about this particular company, but this is for ages 8 and up. It's choking hazards for children under 3 years old. It's the first release of Ooshies Wolverine, and you can see there's no protector. It's just the figure as is. Okay, on the left side we see magic here and the brand Ooshies. On the other side, the same Oshie brand, but some comic panel. I don't know who this is. On the back, we have here another comic panel. This seems to be like Cyclops versus and Juggernaut. Okay, so you can check out Marvel.com Head Start. Okay, designed and imported by Head Start International. This was released 2025. So a latest toy and the latest Wolverine variant. On the top, we have some more comic panels, and at the bottom, it's just imported by Playkit Philippines Incorporated. Okay, so anyway, before we look into it, let's go and look at a Wolverine figure because this is a Heroclix channel. Okay, so we are looking at the other Wolverine from X-Men 97. This is the uncommon 017 from the set. And as you can see, the card and the figure does not match. If you look at the common figure, okay, there seems to be a cross match. But anyway, we are here to look at the stat of this particular uncommon figure Wolverine. X-Men team ability, Alpha Flight, Weapon X, X-Men Brute, Soldier keywords. I like the Brute keyword because that gives access to the longsword, which grants +1, which grants close combat expert, so +1 attack, +1 damage, and Blade's Claw, but he has Blade's Claw anyway, so the combat reflexes is what will benefit him primarily. Okay, so he doesn't have a lot of things happening on his dial. He has a special attack power, Adamantium Claws, okay, which you can see it pop up on his right hand. And that is Blade's Claws Fangs. When Wolverine hit characters can't heal until your next turn. Okay, so good because there's a lot of team that heals every turn with the heart-shaped herb. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Logan, X-Men 97 to me, my X-Men. So this seems like more of a common because this seems like I don't know, for me weaker than the common one. Okay, at 50 points and only 6 clicks, he starts off with charge and that Blade's Claws Fang and toughness, and ends his dial with a charge, blades, regen, and exploit. Okay, I would have loved the exploit to have been on the first 3 clicks as well. Okay, but that's it for Wolverine. For now, let's go back to the main video. Okay, now we're back to the main video, and I don't think we need our. We can just ruin the box, okay? Because we plan to display this piece anyway. So it's quite cheap, okay? But I'm curious to what it really is. Okay, so maybe I can buy some more if I find it interesting, especially if they release like a Cyclops of it or a Jean Grey, because I really like to get that the Trinity. Okay, okay. So you see the X-Men logo here, and I can't seem to remove this one. The arrow says go this way, but it's hard to turn. Maybe we should remove first the tape. Okay, that should enable us to turn it. There you go. It's turning, and yeah, the figure is out of the package. It's quite heavy. I'm surprised it is heavy. So I wonder what's. It's really solid. I wonder what is inside here. Maybe like a rock, or maybe an adamantium. But anyway, here is Wolverine. Okay, this seems to be a good display piece or even a paperweight. Okay, so he has his claws cross and out. Okay, so a chibi version of Wolverine with his old school 97 look. The nose is a bit big. Okay, maybe that's the aesthetic for Ooshies. So Marvel JC2 104525GC. Okay, so it's good for $7. I think this is a good buy just to add another Heroclix, another Wolverine rather in our collection. So what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until next time, whooshies!